I see with my eye.
You see with which eyes? I said translate I love you in Igbo.
Afro aya.
Like I told you guys, this is my daughter. What's her name?
Marashuku.
Amarachuku. Abikizito, the keke driver. So I'm here. We are not me. We are here to prove to you guys why, as an Igbo man, as a Yoruba man, Hausa man, Calabar man, Akwa Ibom man, you should always teach your own children your language, because a lot of people wey dey for city, they will just be teaching their children English. Teach your own children your own language too. Like my daughter, I be Igbo man, she sabi speak Igbo, and we're going to prove it to you now. I will speak in English and she will speak in Igbo. Amarachiku, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now watch and see why I said I'm proud of my daughter. Speak, translate. I love you.
I see with my eye.
You see with which eyes? I said translate. I love you in Igbo.
Afro aya.
Yes, Afrongenanya. She want to say Afrongenanya. You understand? Afrongenanya. I look at my fellow Nigerians. Okay, what is go?
Gaba.
My daughter. What is come?
Yeah.
What are you doing in Igbo?
Kevineme.
That's good. Where are you going to?
Kevinaga.
That's good. That's my daughter. So you see, my daughter is very intelligent. So another question I want to ask you now is, are you cooking in Igbo? Are you cooking? What is hard? It's not hard. Say it. It's Igbo. What are you cooking? Say it in Igbo language. What are you cooking? Say it in Igbo language. Okay. Oh yeah. Good morning. Say it in Igbo language.
Yes, you have told me that one before now.
Who tell you what I tell you?
You told me that one before.
What did I tell you? Good morning. Say it in Igbo.
Good afternoon.
You were not informed too.
You know, we are in the afternoon time. That's why she's confused. So okay, let me use afternoon time. That's why. Don't mind that because we are in the afternoon time. That's why she's confused.
Continue.
Okay. Good afternoon. Say it in Igbo.
Afternoon.
In Igbo language, you say afternoon. Which one be afternoon? Afternoon. We are in a.
I don't know everyone now.
Baby, what is good afternoon in Igbo language? Hello, my friend Nigerians. Maybe you know the weather take as it be. The weather be like afternoon and morning and evening. She's confused. She don't even know. So, Amarachi, it's like when evening time. Just watching now. She's going to get this one. I told you my daughter is a proud Igbo girl. She's going to get this one now. You know the weather is like the way the weather is. Baby, Amarachi, say good evening in Igbo. Say good evening in Igbo. Good evening in Igbo. Because what talking at me? Say good evening in Igbo language. Oh,
Just I'm going to get it now. I don't get it.
you don't get it.
Eh.
Why will get it? You can never get it. So all these things that I have been teaching you all this while, all this I've been teaching you all this while, you can't even get it. Ordinary good morning, you don't even know. I beg, sorry, my fellow Nigerians. She's confused. You know the weather is confusing her. She don't even know the weather in the morning or at night. Amarachu.
I'm sure you're doing like this, the weather.
Now the weather, cause we agree to the Nigerians. We greet them.
Good morning, the Nigerians. I bless you with your word. God bless you.
Okay, she's greeting you. You know, my proud Igbo daughter. My daughter knows everything about our language. So what of you? Train your children to know your language. You can imagine now, my daughter know everything. She can Speak Igbo very well, very, very well. Everything about Igbo language, you know it. So I'm proud of my daughter. What of you? Can your own children speak your language? Teach your children their own language. It's very, very important. Not every time English, English, English. My daughter, you should be, you have seen it now. I asked her about 5 questions now, I'll be 10 questions. She answered it everything. So your own children, can they answer your own? Can they speak your language? So let us try and you know teach our children our own language.
Principal.